A very good morning from Colmar. Today we're going to fly the AS350 from Colmar Airport to Lausanne. So let's do it, guys. It's a 5-seater aircraft. So we've got 5 seats for passengers and 1 for the pilot. And the approximately flying time is 45 minutes. Our flight is scheduled for 2 o'clock and we're super excited to be there. So let's get going. So here we've got our car ready and our amazing chauffeur who's been looking after us, Mr. Abdul Azim. You must have seen him in my previous video. So Abdul, what's the plan for today? What's going to happen? What's the logistic all about?
Hello, good morning everybody, and we are so excited today. We got a long trip to Lausanne actually, and we got luxury car. Please can you show them the car? It's ready. Our car is ready, and we got only 1 car left already. So our client, they take the breakfast. We will leave by 1 o'clock. So that's it. We will be so happy if you come and join us.
So I am going to fly to Lausanne with our VIP clients. 1 luggage car has already been departed. The car was right here. Our chauffeur's already been departed for Lausanne. He's going to take 3 hours and 30 minutes to reach. Abdul Azim will leave us to the airport in Colmar, and then he will depart with another tour guide. And then we have got arrangements in Lausanne. Upon arrival, we've got local chauffeur company who's going to pick us up and take us to our hotel. So we have arrived at the airport, and that's called Airport the Colmar Lausanne. That's Ishak. He can't wait to say good morning. It's good afternoon though. The time is 1:30, and that's the sign where it says a private airport. Our car is parked right there. We're gonna go in and talk with the captain who's going to take us to Switzerland. So that's the immigration counter, but of course we're going in the Schengen zone. There is no one here currently. If you arrive from abroad, they have immigration staff here. Some brochures. This way is the helicopter. That's our AS350 which came from Lausanne to pick us up, and pilot Vincent Costa, who will be flying us to Lausanne this afternoon. So guys, here we've got with ourselves Captain Vincent Costa. How are you, sir?
Okay, fine, perfect, nice weather.
Nice weather. So he made his way from Lausanne, and currently we're in Colmar Airport. The helicopter is right behind us. Please tell us a little bit more about this helicopter. What helicopter is it and where was it made in?
It was made in France. It's an Airbus AS350 Écureuil Squirrel. It's one of the most powerful single engine in the world. It has been landed over the Everest in the Himalayas.
Oh, wow.
So it's a very performing helicopter. We do heli-ski tourism, all kind of sling load missions and so on. So great helicopter.
The gentleman is going to fly us to Lausanne today from Colmar. And what's the flight duration from here?
Duration from Colmar to Lausanne is about 50-55 minutes, depending.
And the weather conditions are fine today. It's pretty
perfect,
nice and perfect.
A bit of rain this morning, but
this morning we were worried.
We have sun right now. So
all right, thank you, sir. Thank you for talking with us. This really helps because we want to show our viewers what we do. We provide intercity helicopters in Europe as well, and we've got capable pilots just like yourself who will take us around to Lausanne. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Welcome.
So behind me, we're just doing the final documentation and the paperwork before we will board our helicopter to Lausanne. So here we are, we've reached Lausanne, and you see the beautiful Lake Geneva right behind me. It was an amazing flight experience today by Air Lausanne. And if you guys wish to travel the luxury way in Europe, you know who to contact. Please do like, subscribe and share, and I hope you're enjoying the luxury content. Thank you for watching. Bye.